In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw any crypto from the platform BYDFi. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BYDFi, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description, then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, you get an exclusive welcome bonus with up to $8,100. I'm quickly going to show you how you can get those. Directly after the sign-up, you will get $20. Then after you've made your first deposit over $100, an additional $20. And then after you've made your first trade for at least $100. So these are the very easy to get bonuses in here, and then down here you get the big bonuses after reaching those certain deposit and volume trading milestones. To create your account, you simply enter your email address right here and set a password or use one of those options, and then you're ready to go. So if you want to withdraw any crypto from your account, you simply need to go up here and click on withdraw. Then right here select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, for example Bitcoin. In my case I will choose USDT. Then right here I'm going to choose the network. Just make sure that you're using the same network as for the other wallet or exchange where you're sending the money to. In my case, I will use the Tron network right here. Then in here, I'm going to paste the address where I want to send the money. And for the amount, I'm simply going to hit all to send all of my balance right here. And then all I need to do is just click down here on withdraw. And then the money will be sent over to this address. It usually only takes a few minutes. And if you're sending larger amounts, I recommend you to first send a small test transaction. If you're also wondering in how to withdraw any fiat money, so British pound, euro, US dollars to your own bank account, make sure to check out the video description where I've linked you a video on how to do that as well. Don't forget to create an account on BYDFi by using the first link down from the video description to get up to $8,100 in bonuses. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.